Hey, what up, car dudes? Welcome back to Wheelie Media. Today at Authentic Foreign and Domestic Repairs, we'll be talking about my beautiful 81 Monte Carlo. Not only is it a SS clone, but she's a rare bird. It has a 355 rollerized top and bottom small block with a freaking T-5 5-speed out of an 80s Camaro. In these next few videos, I'll be showing you how I fixed it up to make some bling bling dollars so I could move on and finish other projects. This conversion works with a Howe's hydraulic throwout bearing. I'll be showing you how to replace it and how to bolt the transmission back up to the bell housing. This is everything that comes in the box. The bearing, obviously. Some shims and retainer bolts. The tools I used in this video are a 15mm wrench, a 15mm socket, a 1/4 inch socket and ratchet, a 3/8 ratchet, swivel and extension with a jack and block of wood. Now, before installing your bearing, you need to replace these shims for proper shifting. There was 3 shims, so 3 was put back. I don't need a new retainer bolt, this one was fine. Don't put your hydro bearing boy on this way, you may explode. So you're going to want to crawl under that beast and try bleeding the throwout bearing first. After you do that as much as possible, you start manhandling your T-5 on the jack, trying to ease her back in her home using your foot to jack, and you know the drill. Once you almost got your baby in her hole, rest the tranny on the bell housing and the cross member, so you could fish your new fancy hydraulic throwout bearing back on it. Is it in yet? 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 Wow, is it in yet? Is it in yet? Are we in yet? Oh, okay. After a lot of grunting and pushing and pulling and mother effing and crying, you'll eventually spline that bad boy in. So you could line the holes up and thread your bolts in and start to squeeze that piggy all the way home. Don't forget to tighten all your bolts, because, you know, explosion. Explode! Also, don't forget to like, subscribe, and share so you can watch more car guys do car guy stuff. If you want to watch how the cross member and the drive shaft were installed on the Monte, then grab some purple Doritos, your favorite drink you drink, and watch the next one.